What is PAP? PAP stands for Pre-Academic Program. At Qaiwan International University Pre-Academic Program, the purpose is to equip the students with two entry requirements of Qaiwan as an international university, a good level of English proficiency, and the foundational knowledge of the programs they're going to study. The main focus of the program is the general English courses. Here, we choose the most appropriate materials and sources so they pave the way for a lot of interaction in the classrooms, because we believe in language learning, in order to learn it, you have to use it. All the applicants of Qaiwan International University go through a placement test, and then later they attend the classes according to their level. Our courses here are taught by very professional, experienced teachers. We are here to make sure that you learn. So come here monolingual and leave bilingual.
Our English program includes 4 different modules: beginner, elementary, pre-intermediate and intermediate courses, and the duration of each course is 120 hours. Our English classes are truly one of a kind because they are full of activities that make learning both exciting and engaging. By actively participating our students in games, discussions and projects that help them to connect with the language in both realistic and fun ways.